In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can recreate the halation effect using Kdenlive. Now, this took me a while to figure out, but it's actually quite simple. So first thing we'll do is go up to the effects and we'll look for mask. I'll add a mask apply and the secondary color correction area selection mask. I'll place it above the mask apply and I'll change the operation from write on clear to add. Now we can simply go look for blur, and we're going to grab the average blur, put it between the secondary color correction and the mask apply, and inside of planes we can go down to red, and let's set the X to 15 and the Y, let's say, to 10. Already we're getting a little bit of that halation if we zoom in. So you can see, unlike using something like the RGB split, the separation has a bit of blur to it, and this is what the average blur allows us to do. Now you can choose between red and blue. You'll get slightly different results. The colors will vary a little bit. And this also depends on your scene. So you might also want to increase the X or Y values, all depending on the look you're going for. So for example, if I crank this up to 30, you can see it's a lot more pronounced. So let's say 17 for now. And this also tends to blur the image ever so slightly. So one thing you can do is add a sharp on sharp effect. And I'll simply set the luma strength to, let's say, 1. And now we've added back the sharpness to our image. And finally, the last touch you can add to it is a soft glow. Let's zoom out here. And with the soft glow, I'll lower the blur significantly and the brightness as well. So before, after, you can play with the values, but basically this is how you can add the halation effect to your videos. Alright, I have a Ko-fi link down in the description if you'd like to support the channel. You can click on this playlist here to learn more about Kdenlive, and thanks for watching.